Hello besties, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you my favorite okra soup recipe. So let's get into the video. I'll start by cooking my meat. To my meat I will add some salt, seasoning powder, onion and a little water. I'll cover this and allow it to steam for 5 minutes. Afterwards, I'll be adding water enough to cook the meat until tender. While cooking my meat, I'll go ahead and prep the okra. I'll wash and cut the okra into smaller pieces and put in the food processor to chop. If this is your first time of watching my video or coming across my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. On the notification bell so you can always get notified when we upload a new video. After chopping my okra, I will set it aside and check on my meat. This is after 20 minutes and my meat is ready. I'll be adding in the rest of the ingredients. The list of the ingredients will be in the description box. I add in some Ponmo and Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll mix this in and cover to cook for 2 minutes. Afterwards, I'll be adding in my palm oil. I will add in some smoked banla fish and some dried prawns. I'll add in some crayfish powder. I'll mix this together thoroughly. Then I'll be adding in the star of the show, which is my okra. I will stir this in and allow everything to relate with yourself so they can get to know each other. I have some okra I chopped with my hands. I'll be adding it in just to make the soup extra crunchy. If you are enjoying this recipe, kindly like the video and drop a comment below. Lastly, I will be adding in my vegetable. I'm using ugu leaf for this. I will add it in and stir everything together thoroughly and allow it to cook for another 1 minute or 2. Then our soup is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.